If you are a financial advisor, here are 10 strategies that can earn you at least 1 million next year. Ako si Maestro Vincio and I'm going to share with you 10 strategies that are guaranteed to help you earn a lot more in 2026. Watch until the end to learn how to implement these strategies. First strategy is to implement a value-driven approach in your life insurance business. If you consistently provide value, you will capture more prospects, secure more appointments, and close sales regularly. Second strategy is to follow a structured work week of your activities. Dapat alam mo kung ano ang gagawin every day of the week. This will help you get more things done. Strategy number 3 is to grow your prospect list by going on a prospect treasure hunt of your natural and cold markets para hindi ka mauubusan ng prospects. Remember, prospects are the lifeblood of your business. Next strategy is to qualify your prospects so you can avoid wasting time on leads that are unlikely to convert to a sale and focus instead on quality prospects who are more likely to turn into clients. Strategy number 5 is to establish a referral partner program. Take advantage of your existing network to get more prospects. Magbigay din ng incentive sa mga nag-refer sa iyo so they will keep giving you referrals. Next strategy is to learn proper financial planning and get yourself certified as a financial planner. Bilang advisor, your knowledge and skills should go beyond life insurance so you can provide sound advice on other aspects of your client's finances. Another strategy is to sharpen your presentation skills so you can deliver powerful and compelling presentations which make prospects buy. Strategy number 8 is to master objection handling and closing, which can significantly improve your conversion rate. Maraming potential sale ang napupurnada dahil na-mishandle ng advisor ang objections ng prospect. The next strategy is to learn how to close big cases by effectively positioning life insurance as an excellent estate planning tool. The final strategy in our list is to enhance your professional image to build immediate trust, establish credibility, and position yourself as an expert rather than just a sales agent. If you apply these 10 strategies consistently, I can assure you, lalaki ng husto ang iyong income. If you want to learn how to implement these strategies, join my live stream on Saturday, December 13 from 9:30 a.m. to 12 noon, where I will discuss these strategies in more detail and show you exactly how to use them. To join the session, register through the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content that will help you become a more effective and productive financial advisor.